Hi, Mr. O'Hara's class. How is everybody doing? Hope everybody's safe. I have another video for you. And do you remember our classroom plant? Well, I brought it home with me, and what I want to do is I want to take our classroom plant and I want to put it in another pot. So we're going to plant this plant in here. So I got my pot, got my trowel, got my gardening gloves, and I got a pair of gardening scissors. Or if you don't have that, you can just use regular scissors. And I also have some rocks to put in the bottom of our plant, of our pot. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a lot of little dead leaves on here. So what we want to do, we want to take our scissors, and I'm going to trim some of this up for it to be nice and pretty. And here I go. And I'm just throwing these on the ground, and I'm going to sweep them up later, which I know you all know how to sweep now. Now, if you do this, make sure you do this with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, someone that can give you a little help. And as you can see, I got all of the dead spots off our plant. Now, next thing, what I want to do, I'm going to put on my gardening gloves. Okay. See the hole in our pot? What I want to do is I want to take some rocks, small rocks, and I'm going to put them in the bottom of our pot. Now, next step, put my scissors away. Does this look to you about the same size, kind of close? I think so. So I'm not going to need much potting soil, but I want to have some potting soil on hand just to fill in the spaces. So here comes the fun part. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bang it a little bit. Grab my plant here, one hand, grab my plant here with the other hand, and I'm gonna put it all in here. Now, what happened was, I still have the roots all in here. That's fine, that's fine. Some water's still in here. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna put the roots in here. Can you see that? I'm gonna take this, put it away. And what I wanna do now, don't worry if it's messy, we're going to clean this up later. I'm going to pull my plant up about where I want it to be, almost level with this, but in a little bit more. And I'm going to take my garden trowel. This is the fun part. I'll fill it up. There we go. Now, as I get it almost done, what you want to do is take your hands and kind of gently just start hacking it in there. There you go. Hack it in. Not too hard. Fill it up a little more. You know what? I think this is going to be good. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. One classroom plant potted. Now, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to leave it outside for a day or two and let it kind of dry out. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go like this, guys, to see if it's wet or dry. Right now it's still a little wet, so it doesn't need water. And if you get a little dirty, so what? You can wash your hands. That's what gardening's all about. It's fun. So anyway, if you see something that needs planted in a pot, now you know how to do it. Thanks a lot, and see you guys next week.